Okay, today we're going to take a look at a test question on variation. So here you've got a picture of a zebra on the left and a picture of a quagga on the right. A quagga is an organism that was found in South Africa years ago and is now extinct. They look similar to one another. So it says here, look at the differences between a zebra and a quagga. The quagga is now extinct. They used to breed with one another, and the offspring inherited a mixture of the genetic information, genes, from both of them. How are the genes passed on from parents to offspring? So 1 mark answer. So you can very simply say 4 1 marks on the chromosomes because the genes are found on the chromosomes. Now, if you don't say that, another option is to say genes are found, and you've got to be careful with this one, in eggs and you have to say and sperm. That would get you the 2nd mark. If you just said that they were found in the egg, that wouldn't be enough. But if you also said the genes are found in the DNA, that would get you the mark as well. Okay, 2nd part of the question is worth 3 marks. This is about selective breeding. Today, some zebras still show quagga features. Scientists want to breed quaggas again, so suggest how they could do this using selective breeding. They want you to explain and show an understanding of what selective breeding is. So, to do this, you're using zebras, okay? And you want to try and produce quaggas eventually. So, first of all, the simplest thing to do is you choose 2 zebras that are the most similar to quaggas. So that means they have the most characteristics that are similar to a quagga. Then very simply, you need to breed them. Okay, and once you've bred them, you're going to choose the most quagga-like offspring. Okay, and you're going to breed from them. So that's the 3rd mark there. But to finish the sentence off, what you can also say is choose the most quagga-like offspring and repeat the process. Okay, that gives a very, very clear answer to selective breeding. Now, the and repeat the process is actually a 4th marking point, but as the question is only worth 3 marks, you will only get 3. Okay, but you include it to finish your sentence, because if you had a 4-mark question on it, you would need to say all those points. All right, that gives you an insight into how to answer a question on variation. Hopefully that's helpful. They could give you questions like this on 2 different organisms that they think are similar. They tend to use horses as an example, and they've also used elephants before as well. And then they might use the dodo and talk about its characteristics and the variation that's happened between the dodo and into birds that we experience common day now. Lots of different ways they can do it, but this is one example, and we hope you found it really helpful. Did you know that you can purchase biology worksheets and answer sheets and checklists which accompany all our science revision lessons? These are created for years 7, 8 and 9. They're essential digital downloads, and they're grouped by topic and are available from our online shop at inmyelement-uk.com. If you've got any questions, please just drop me an email and I'll be happy to help.